Hi guys, my name is Chelsea Downing, and sorry for the background. I'm currently hiding in the science closet at my school because my parents are coming this weekend to visit, and there's SOL testing going on. So this is where I can get peace and quiet to video and do this assignment at work. So I work at Canterbury Woods Elementary School. I'm a 4th grade AAP teacher there. That means advanced academics. I've taught 4 years, 4th grade gen ed, and then this is my 2nd year teaching 4th grade AAP. So that's a total of 6 years of teaching for me. I'm gonna go to my wedding website because something exciting about me is that in January I got engaged. So this here is my wedding website so that you can see this is my fiance Saab. We're Eagles fans. This was at a game that we went to. Also something in the past that I've shared is my fur baby, Mickey. He's over here in this picture. I'm sure you'll see him in other pictures. Yep, here he is too. So this is me and my future husband. Super exciting. Now I'm going to share with you my blended unit that I made in the other course. It's a 4th grade reading unit on critical literacy. So here is the learning management system. I used Google Classroom, and I divided it into lessons instead of modules because my kids are more familiar with lessons. And the beginning is kind of an introduction, and they are creating infographics, so that's something else I had learned from one of Jared's classes. There's a lot of blogs using the question tool in Google. They also are listening to a lot of different types of media like podcasts. They're using the tool Padlet. And down at the bottom here, for review, it's actually a Google form so that they can receive immediate feedback. And then at the end, they kind of reflect and set goals and then take their assessment. And the assessment is pretty cool because there's a rubric and there's different assessment choices. So whether they want to create a video or write, they can have kind of that choice and really personalize the way that they like to learn and show what they know in a way that works best for them. So that's kind of me, Chelsea Downing, in a nutshell, and my unit. I look forward to getting to know everyone. All right. Thanks for listening. Bye.